Hello guys, welcome once again to coding channel. Let's do loops. Yes, loops. The for loop. Second one is while loop, and the third one is do while loop. For loop. Before loop, start by writing for. Open your bracket. Int variable, declaration of variable int x. We start from 1. Okay, terminate it. X is less than 20, or terminate it. X plus plus. Okay. SYSOUT. Okay, this is a shortcut for system.out.println. Press Ctrl plus space bar on your keyboard to generate the shortcut. And if you are using Mac, it is Command plus space. Okay, so I'm going to print X. But let's see what will happen. Ctrl plus neutralize or right click, run as. This is it, guys. For the for loop, here's the result. 119 is less than. Let's do the while loop. We're going to do the same code. You need the same code using while loop. Just initiate the variable int x equal to 0. Okay. While x is less than 20. That's what. Guys, shortcut. Just remember, speak like easier, shortcut. X plus plus terminate F11. Guys, the same thing. Do the same. We'll do y. So just initiate your variable to int x. Int x plus plus y x is less than 20. Terminate. Guys, this is it.